So what is interpersonal effectiveness now? Out of that, interpersonal communication skills, right? So interpersonal effectiveness is capability of an individual to do this, influence others competently, right? Yes, I requested all of you to please switch off your mics. If you have questions, you can just raise your hand and I will ask you at the proper time to please ask. G. So we were discussing interpersonal effectiveness. Interpersonal effectiveness is the capability of individual to do something, to do this, whatever that task is, influence others on that competently. Leadership is the direct function of three elements of interpersonal effectiveness. So ये वही बातें हैं जी जो अभी हमने थोड़ी देर पहले की हैं. Leadership is what? Leadership is direct function of three elements of interpersonal effectiveness. And what are three functions of interpersonal effectiveness? Awareness, ability, and commitment. Junaid, what you were recently discussing. Awareness, ability, and commitment. And this is effectiveness of interpersonal skills. Awareness, commitment, and ability. So let's move to next slide. Okay, awareness. Awareness is a state of consciousness. It is ability to recognize yourself, others, events, and situation in real time. Got it? Awareness is what? Is ability to recognize yourself, others, events. Events means different events that are happening around you, situations in real time. So it is ability to assess the impact of actions on situations and others and be critically self-reflective. What is your self-reflection on that? It is development process that is function of experience. So awareness is development process that is function of experience, communication, self-discovery, and feedback. Ability is what? Ability is to learn and understand technical issues is the basis of our careers. Ability is to lead, function of influence. And what are function of influence? What are function of influences? Ability to communicate, ability to resolve conflicts, and ability to resolve problems and make decisions. अब ये वो कौन सी चीजें हैं जी? ये वही हैं जो लीडरशिप पे हमने रिसेंटली आपकी पिछली एक्सरसाइज में हमने पढ़ी थी. अगर आपको याद हो तो इफ आई कैन ब्रिंग यू बैक. यस, ये जी. एबिलिटी टू इन्फ्लुएंस अदर्स इज डेरिवेशन ऑफ व्हाट? इंटरपर्सनल कम्युनिकेशन, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट मैनेजमेंट एंड प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग. और अब हम एबिलिटी में पढ़ रहे हैं कि एबिलिटी is to lead. Its ability to lead is a function of influence, and functions of influence are what? Ability to communicate, ability to resolve conflicts, and ability to solve problems and make decisions. As a member of team, we influence others in a collaborative effort to find better ideas or solve problems. ठीक है? आप एज अ मेंबर ऑफ टीम भी क्या कर रहे होते हैं? जब आपके ग्रुप्स भी बनते हैं, क्लासरूम ग्रुप्स भी बनते हैं, we influence each other in a collaborative effort, right, to find better ideas to solve the problem. So what is commitment? Junaid, you are concerned about this topic. So what is commitment? For leaders, the one thing that leads to maturity is fully aware recognition that one's decisions make a difference. देखें, यहां तक अभी रुके. For a leader, the one thing that leads to maturity, for a leader that leads to maturity is what? Is fully aware of the recognition that one's decisions can make a difference, both positively and negatively. Of course, in the lives of others and that any attempt to solve problem might have decided negative impact on some while helping others. So this is very clear point. Try to understand this commitment, because your decision has influence on others as well. Your decision can have influence on others. ठीक है, आपके डिसीजन का दूसरों पे इन्फ्लुएंस हो सकता है, कुछ पे पॉजिटिव होगा, कुछ पे नेगेटिव होगा, right? But you should know when you have taken the decision, it is a right decision, right? And it is in welfare of most of the people, or you have taken the right decision. And it is important to take a right decision for a leader. अब इस definition को दोबारा देखें. For a leader, the one thing that leads maturity is fully aware recognition that one's decision can make a difference, both positively or negatively, in the life of others, and that any attempt to solve problems might have decided negative impact on some of the people, on the same time have positive impact on others. So in no win scenario, one must still make a hard decision, right? So sometimes leaders have to take some hard decision. So Untouchables movie देखी है आप लोगों ने? Untouchables, right? I'm just describing one scene of it. Jimmy O'Neill asks, "What are you prepared to do?" इसमें एक सीन को जस्ट डिस्क्राइब कर रहा हूं, एक सीन को जस्ट डिस्क्राइब कर रहा हूं. What are you prepared to do? Jimmy is asking, "What are you prepared to do?" And Ness is replying, "Anything I have to do to make this thing right." What are you prepared to do? Anything I have to do to make things right, to make this thing right. And what Jimmy is replying now, everyone knows where the problems are, but no one is willing to do anything. You said you would do anything you had to make it right. Now I'm willing to help you because you have made the commitment. Right? So try to understand this. So what commitment is? This is just example of a movie, Untouchables. Jimmy O'Neill is asking, "What are you prepared to do?" Ness is replying, "Anything I have to do to make this thing right." And now Jimmy is replying, "Everyone knows where the problems are, but no one is willing to do anything. You said you would do anything. You had to make it right. Now I'm willing to help you because you have made the commitment." So when leader is giving some word to someone, he should know what does his words mean, right? By his words, he is making commitment. So leader is a man of words, we have concluded from here.